What's going on, wunna?
I'm Sanai,
And I'm Auntie Chanie.
and welcome to Growing Up Gooding.
Sanai, what's growing up gooding?
Growing Up Gooding is a YouTube channel about food, family, and culture. Learn to bake and learn how to cook, and not just girls can cook, boys can too.
I like all of what you're saying. That's a great answer.
Thank you!
Welcome. Yeah.
Auntie, what does Growing Up Gooding mean?
Growing up gooding means you eat a lot. No. Growing up gooding means family oriented, all about fun and joy, finding it wherever you can, and staying true to your culture. And you're in the kitchen a lot, whether you're cooking, baking, dancing, because you always play music when you cook, clean, and do just about anything. So who are you, Sanai?
I am a second generation beautiful child. You know that? I'm also a baker. I am also a good niece. I am also a hardworking, trying to get to college person. And yes, that is me. Okay, so who are you?
Ooh, who am I? I am a first generation American with immigrant parents from Barbados. Yeah, those are your grandparents. We're wondering.
You never told me about this.
Right. I'm a baker. I love my culture. I just want to share it with you and the world because it's awesome.
How old are you?
No, we're not doing that.
I'm joking.
So Sanai, you're a baker?
Yes, indeed. I got it from my aunt.
It's like she got it from her mama, but she got it from her auntie. Anywho, tell me more. What have you been baking?
Cookies, gingerbread cookies. Why did you want to do on YouTube?
Because we're not able to be together like normal. I want to use this platform to bake with you and to share what we learn with everyone. And it's come to my attention that we are doing you a disservice and that you...
We're adding that in.
We're adding that in. Yeah, we're doing you a disservice and we need to make sure you learn more about your culture and make sure everybody else knows about it too.
Yeah, for sure. Mm-hmm. High five to that.
Right.
Ready? High five.
Go.
Yeah, we
One more
did
time.
it. We did
One
it.
more time.
3, 2, 1. You did it too slow.
What are you doing for your birthday tonight?
We are going to be making bundt cakes for my birthday.
Do you know what next Monday is?
Monday is crossover.
Oh, thank God. Woof.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I mean, girl.
Ouch.
That's how I felt. That is how I felt. When I said, we'll talk about it in the crop over episode, but
okay.
Ouch was how I felt.
I have a question, Auntie.
Okay.
What does wunna mean?
What going on, wunna, is how we say what's up in Barbados. So it means what's going on, guys.
Alright, cool. You taught me a word today, Auntie.
I taught you a phrase. Yes, I did.
Okay, yes, you did.
So Sanai, will new episodes of Growing Up Gooding air?
Well, we will be posting them every Sunday.
I'm excited to go on this journey with you.
I am too, to know more about your culture.
It's yours too, dude. Yeah.
You had it first.
We're failing significantly. So check us out. Tell them all the stuff they're supposed to do.
Ooh, you're supposed to like and subscribe. We want 3K likes.
I mean, goals are good. Right. So like, comment, subscribe. What else? It's all below, right? It's supposed to be down here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be below.
You comment below and let us know where you're from. Drop a flag.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Well, here we go. Next.
Bye, Barbadians.
Aw, shout out Barbados.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I forgot to kind of mention, like, you're on the West Coast and I'm on the East Coast, and so that's why we're here.
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome to Go. What going on?
What going on?
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay.
Am I speaking Spanish?
You are not. You are speaking Bajan.
Cool.
Happy birthday, Cousin Catherine!